Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where we'll explain how you can get a Wise virtual card. So, let's jump right into it. First, log into your Wise account using the app or website. Once you're on your home dashboard, look for the debit card section and click on Order a debit card. You'll now see two options: digital card or physical card. The physical card will be shipped to you, but if you want instant access, choose the digital card option. When you select it, Wise will show you some important details about your card, including how it works, where it can be used, and how to manage it. Take a moment to read through this information carefully. Once you're ready, click on Order your digital card. Within seconds, your virtual card will be activated and ready to use. You can add it to your phone's wallet for contactless in-store payments, or use the card details for safe and secure online shopping. And that's it, your Wise virtual card is ready for everyday use anywhere that accepts card payments.